Another present I have with me from XP Pen, the Magic Notepad. World's first 3-in-1 color notepad, a perfect gadget for writers. Unboxing! The XP Pen Magic Notepad is a cutting-edge tablet designed for note-taking, creativity and productivity. Its stunning 10.95-inch LCD display boasts a high resolution of 1920 by 1200 and a smooth 90 Hz refresh rate, making visuals crisp and fluid. With 3 color modes, nature color mode, light color mode and ink paper mode, users can customize their experience to suit their preferences. The X3 Pro Pencil 2 Stylus offers an exceptional writing experience with 16,384 pressure levels and a battery-free design. The soft pen nib glides effortlessly, mimicking traditional writing. The tablet's performance is robust, powered by Android 14, 6GB RAM and 128GB storage. The Magic Notepad is perfect for students, professionals and creatives. The XP Pen Notes app enables seamless note-taking and organization, while PDF import and editing capabilities make it easy to annotate documents. Handwriting recognition and AI-powered tools further enhance productivity. With Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, users can stay connected and access a wide range of apps. Overall, the XP Pen Magic Notepad is an excellent tool for anyone seeking a powerful and versatile tablet for creative and productive pursuits. Its features and capabilities make it an ideal companion for achieving goals. XP Pen Magic Notepad. Blended color, note magic. So to own this creative thing, visit our Vishal Peripherals and Vishal Computex stores, or you can log on to www.vishalperipherals.com. For more such updates, stay tuned. Happy writing! Bye-bye!